The Little Genius Starter Kit isn't your ordinary set of games, it's a powerful tool for preschool learning. With 4 captivating games, your child will dive deep into the world of letters and phonics, hone their pre-drawing skills, explore the nuances of emotions and colors, and nurture crucial problem-solving abilities. With Osmo, your child isn't just learning, they're developing a wide range of skills: creativity, imagination, fine motor skills, verbal proficiency, empathy, and spatial reasoning all take center stage. Inside the box, you'll find the Osmo base and reflector for iPads, a captivating assortment of cardboard pretend play costume pieces, 38 silicone sticks and rings, a versatile silicone game playmat, stackable storage for game pieces, and 4 enchanting game apps. Osmo Little Genius Starter Kit is compatible for iPads, iPhones, and Fire tablets, which are sold separately. I really love this product and think that you will too.